So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. And this problem is called the k closest point to the origin. Okay, so basically somebody give a list of points, then you need to find the k closest point to the origin. Okay, so this problem is similar as the previous many problems. Basically, you can create a dictionary, and for each point, then you use the points as the keys and the value as the results. So first you create a dictionary, then you sort the value. You sort the dictionary as a value. So this is the common technique, and finally then you just print the points. Okay, so first I create a dictionary, and for each point I label the keys as the integer. Then I compute the distance. So this is a distance. Somebody give you n, I calculate a square. Basically this is a distance square. Okay, but I call it distance. So this is at least L. Okay, so I create an example. Basically you can see this. Okay, so let me first cancel out the rest of the code. Okay, so suppose you have these 3 points, then first that means there we will see L. So L means 0, means these 0 corresponding to 41. 41 means 5 squared minus 5 squared plus 4 squared, and then this is 61. Then we need to sort it with the to the value. So this is the sorted code. So sorted code is basically sort orders. It will relate the keys. So we will create a list. Then we sort it by the key, by the value. So we can see the sorted. And then how about we see the sorted results? Okay. So sorted. Okay, so we should see the sorted results. Okay, so you see the sorted order is 0 to 1. So that means 0 is the closest. 2 is the second closest. 1 is the farthest. The farthest away. Okay, then finally, then we create an answer. We create an answer list. Then for I in range k, because we needed the first k, then we just append the points. Append the original points. So we use sorted order to label the points. So basically, we put somehow we already sort the points, so these sort orders can be viewed as keys. So we put into points, then we append the first k. Then it's obvious that we can solve the problem very easy. Still very fast. And so okay, so let me. So I think you guys already understand. Okay, so that means we need a point 0, which is this. And then we need 0.2 if we only take the first 2. So you see this is the first and the second. So it's very straightforward, and I will see you guys in another video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.